Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Putra. This is my first video. Here I'm gonna talk about semantics elements in HTML. What does it mean? Do we have to know it? And how do we use it effectively? And I'm gonna show you some example of it as well. Without further ado, let's get started. Here I already opened VS Code. You can use other code editor. It's up to you. Here I'm gonna create index HTML. It will be the main file in our project. I'm gonna close the sidebar and open it in Google Chrome. Okay, let's put it on the right side and the code editor on the left side. Okay, that's good. I will start this video with a question you or other people might ask. What exactly are semantic elements? In simple terms, you can think semantic elements are HTML elements that have meaning. That's it. We use semantic elements to structure our content based on its element meaning. I'll give you an example of it just in a minute. First, we get some basic structure of HTML. I'm gonna name it semantic element, and here I'm gonna create just a simple structure, header with h3, and this is a header, and then main, another h3 element. This is main, and the last one is footer. Okay, you can see here very basic structure, and just to make this a little bit clear to you, I'm gonna use some CSS style, but I'm not gonna explain it because it's beyond of the scope of this video. You can skip it in this section. Just a couple CSS code to make it easier for you to understand it. Say header, okay. Here, header represents a container for an introductory or set of navigation link. You may have seen this before, where there are many links that related to another page on the website. This is where a header is used for. And for the main element, it represents the dominant content of the body of the document. The main area consists of content that relates to or expand upon the central topic of the document. Here, here is a just simple example of use document, but I'm sorry, use of main. But in real project, Main is usually used to contain many core content, like maybe it can be some tips, and it will be a list of image, something like that. It can be like this. Maybe have some out uh, image, image, and the last one. Okay, refresh. Actually, okay. It can be something like that. And the footer, it it typically contains copyright or authorship information on navigational elements pertaining to the contents of the file element. In this element, you will be usually put some copyright that just make sure or just tell visitor that this is your website. You you the one is built this web. And I'm gonna explain a little bit more about semantic elements, why uh, why why it matters. Okay, there are many benefits of using these semantic elements. First, it makes the structure of your code clear and understandable, and it also helps to review it again in the future. Maybe you wanna improve or refactor it after you haven't code for a while. Okay, you may think if we just code like this, it won't be hard for you to read the code, but when you have a real world project, there are more than 100 codes, more than 100 line codes. It will be quite difficult to read the HTML code when you use only like non-semantic elements like div and span, and you make div nested again in the div and again nested all the way here. It will be hard for you to read it. But if you use semantic elements, it'll probably quite easier to read the code because you know where the footer is, where the main, where the header, and where you should put navigation bar or our navigation link. Second, it helps search engines and assistive technologies like screen reader for user with a site environment be able to understand the content and context of your website. And the last one, it leads to more consistent code since there are many ways to create layout in HTML with non-semantic elements. There will be different structure of layout, and it will make collaboration if you work with others, and you will probably do so if you wanna work in a software engineering field, and it will make become difficult. But by using the semantic elements, uh, you will have a standard and see you will have standard and same structure for everyone, so it makes it easier for everyone to understand it, and it will make it will make collaboration become easier. All right, guys, I think that's enough. Just a couple minutes from my presentation. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video is useful for you and help you understand more about the semantic elements in HTML. Thank you for watching.